Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Chinijam Kitchen. Today we're going to make baigan with papaya curry. Curry baigan with green papaya. So stay tuned to our kitchen this evening. What you want going inside here? Yeah, guys, we're peeling our papaya here now. So we're organizing for our curry papaya. So watch good, what we're doing. And in the meanwhile, we want to roast our. So we're showing you how we're cutting up our green papaya. That's what we're doing today. So just taste through.
I'll get there. So I just come to tell you now we're going to.
Yeah, guys, remember I tell you my hand already done wash. So we're going to knead. We don't want to make our dough too stiff, so I want it to make softish. Not too soft, not too hard. Yes, and we had a little oil. Kitchen here. As we show you our season we cut up here, we're ready to fry up the thing now. So what are we doing? Stay tuned in the kitchen with me, because me don't want to miss no one bit. Watch it. This is our season, this is our baigan, and this is our papaya as we showed you before. Yeah, guys, what are we doing here now? We're going to put our garlic to burn. I like to burn the garlic because it tastes better in the roast baigan. The baigan roast already and thing, so we go half parboil, cook, burn the curry. That's why we put it in a little water. Our chopped onion, sweet pepper, and tomato. Guys, if you smell this now, oh gosh, real nice. Smell this little papaya. This is our papaya where we're going on curry now. Stir. What's the beauty? Where it goes? We're adding our baigan now, our roast baigan. This is how it's looking after when we roast it and separate the skin from the inside. Stir. So we have our crusher here because when time we fry the bake, we want it to be moist. So we crush. That everything should combine together. Yeah guys, this is our dough. If you notice, it raised. So we're going and roll our fry bake. Right. Right. So we're frying our fry bake now. Guys, you see how this raising properly here? Wonderful, beautiful. So this is our fry bake. Watch how beautifully looking. Wow. So we're going and turn it now. Look how beautiful this looking. Yeah guys,